Hey soulmates, welcome back again to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you how to get this bubble effect, bubble skirt or bubble design on a child's dress. This is a dress for a 4 years old. If it's something you're interested in, please stay with us. Welcome back. So I start off with the base, the inner part or the lining. You fold the material in bias. This is 1 yard of doll face that I'm using here. And the length I want to do here is 10 inches. It's 2 inches longer than the bubble. The main fabric will be 2 inches longer than this skirt that I'm trying to make. So you fold the material in bias form, then you get half of the round waist measurement on it. Me, I usually just use my tape to eyeball the thing, just keep trying until I get the particular inches, then mark it and go round. So I've done this now. I've cut out the required length and the waist length that I need. If this bottom part is too wide for you, you can come in by 3 inches and then link it up to the waist area and cut it off if it's too wide. But this is quite okay for me. I didn't need to trim off anything. It's just perfect. So you iron. This is the bottom part. I've folded this fabric into four. Yes, it's into four. We'll be cutting a 360 circle. So I started from the bottom. This is also a 1 yard fabric. So I just started from the bottom, marked out the length I needed. Then from there went up for the waist. I just needed excess in the waist area, so I'll gather it to make the bubble effect. So I just marked out the waistline here, then decided to, from the waistline, go down and take the length that I need. And for this one, the length I needed for here is 12 inches because the lining, the base is 10 inches. You just gather the bottom and the top to match the bottom and top measurement of the base I cut earlier. And first of all, I stitch it, gather it, then stitch it. As you can see, that's just it. Make sure you gather the main fabric and stitch it on the A-line measure fabric that we've cut out, because the main fabric is usually longer. So I've done it here. The next thing to do is to stitch the top part and stitch up the joining, the center front or center back. Add a zipper if it's a skirt you are doing, but for this particular project it's a part of a dress, so I'll be adding it to the upper part of the dress. You can see it's 2 inches longer than the lining or the base material, the base fabric. So you just gather the top and let it match with the base, the lining or the base fabric you are using, and add an elastic, a band, a zipper, anyone you are using if it's a skirt. But for this particular project, it's part of a dress, so that's actually how to get this bubble effect. It can be made into a skirt or be a part of a dress. You just seal up this part and add whatever fastening you want, either a zipper or an elastic band. So I'm done here. I've attached it to the dress and you can see the bubble effect down. You can see the lining. Everything is so neat inside and outside. Here is it on my mannequin for you to see the beauty. Our bubble skirt is bubbling. Is it something you want to try? Did you enjoy this video? Please give us a thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section, tap on the subscribe button and turn on your notification because you wouldn't want to miss a thing on this channel. Until my next video, bye.